At London site, we believe that our greatest asset is our people.
I was definitely someone who started and wasn't confident at all, a bit like a deer in the headlights, but with the support of my team and making them mistakes, I've learnt from it. It's something that I never thought that I'd be able to do when I first started, not the career path that I thought I wanted, but now I love it. I get challenged every day, things happen, I've become good at problem solving, and that applies to not only my career but outside of work as a person.
One-to-one and impact plan were new concepts to me. I had the opportunity to meet with the great experts on site, where I managed to set a robust one-to-one structure with my amazing team. Open and honest discussion from where the focus is, how are you, to personal growth, setting up trainings and development, and executing these plans. By practicing this has enabled me to build my competence to reapply to anyone in any department across site. It's such an honor to work with these talented individuals where nothing is impossible for them.
Every employee plays a pivotal role in sending flawless products to the market, delighting our customers. Each person is a key piece in our success story.
So I've had 4 different roles here now, but I'd also like to put out there as well, I think from a woman's perspective, a lot of the skills on site are generally male orientated, but I'll just say, come and try out P&G, we can build you and mould you, and you can learn new stuff all the time. So don't ever think that you're not good enough. Go out there and find the job of your dreams.
We've always heard that in P&G, you could grow and become whatever you wanted to become. All you needed to do was be impactful and play your role in the company. I've done all of this and I was rewarded by being promoted to the post of a manager. And this not sort of transformed my perception of the company, but sort of buttressed it and made it stronger as a company that values its people, builds their capability, and allows them to grow.
My managers have allowed me to grow. They make sure we ask the right questions. So if I've missed something out, it's not like, oh, like you've done this wrong, it's they give you feedback. So you get feedback, like what you should ask, what information you need to be able to, root cause an issue or get to the point of a problem. Also even things like when you have conversations with people, so members of your team, trying to get if there's something bothering them or they need help with something, and maybe you need to approach them and you're not sure about the right way of going about it, and you're nervous or you feel anxious about doing so, you can talk to your manager about that and feel like you're not going into it on your own. You've got someone you can rely on.
Here, people have important contributions to the company. We leverage our unique differences to achieve excellence in every facet of our work.
Every role I had is a kind of experience, just to know different colleagues, different places, different roles, and I was learning. Every day was a learning curve for me. That's why I like it. It's like every day something new comes, and for me it's like a life journey. And I also take it to my personal life as well. Some lesson learned I had from each assignment, or even from the social aspect, that I learned to be more clear in communication and more focus on community. We are in one community, a big family in P&G, so I also brought it to life to be also a good member of community for the even neighborhood I'm living for.
At London site, you have the opportunity to grow and develop, to build, to create, to inspire.
The advice that I'd give is having an open mind when it comes to learning and growth. P&G offers a lot of training programs, so it's taking full advantage of that, getting full immersed into the training programs, and also with that open mind, you're able to come up with innovative ideas that will help you evolve in your role.
If I was to travel back in time and give my younger self one bit of advice, it would be to always ask questions and not to be afraid to ask people questions.
All your colleagues are as nice as you, so be first kind and nice to yourself and to others, and the rest will come afterwards.
We don't just work, we evolve together. Each of us making a difference, every day.
I've loved the 2 years that I've been here, and I can't wait to see what the future holds in terms of my career, and I hope I have many more happy years at P&G.